kindly. The power of God is not to be challenged by mortals. Thank you.
I am Hera, the queen of the goddesses in Olympus, and I would never forget that picture. I am Talia, the muse of Pamela. I am Rosie, portraying Psyche, a mortal princess known for her beauty and courage, and I believe that love cannot live where there is no trust, and I thank you. I am Raya Jacob, portraying Atuna, goddess of wisdom. Hey everyone, I am Hatsuna Paso, and I portray character Cleo, goddess of history. I am Yuki Saimamer as a person for the goddess of otherworld. Goddess of plant and I am United Samporna. I portray Princess Andromeda. Hoy! Ikaw na mo ba yung pulo-pulo mo na mukha? Ang sabi ko, tumahimik ka! Character of Blackpink. Portraying character, great teacher, Aurora. I am Rowena Sansari, portraying the character of Princess Bella. Portraying the the character of Harry Potter. The guardian of my own power!
Sige, tuminga ka.
Hi everyone, my name is Yumio Johaika, portraying the character of Elsa. Hi everyone, my name is Phoebe Naharong Tulang Kalman, portraying the character of Kathleen Edwina in Hunger Games at Mama Jake. I'm not pretty, I'm not beautiful, but I'm as radiant as the sky. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Mara Rani. I portray the character of Rapunzel. My name is Rosita Amulala. I'm portraying the character of Snow White. Portraying the character of I am Rohita Samsudi, portraying the character of Aya.
Wakas na gawin.
My name is Dubaila Tijaman. I portray the character of
Maria Makiling.
I'm Anita Abdullah, portrait of character in Maria Clara. Anyways, Anita Faisal, portraying the character of Manifest. My name is Giovanna.
Cinderella,
Character of Ariel, the Princess of the Sea.
Ariel, the Princess of the Sea. Ah,